Welcome back. Glad to have you again. Last time I was working on an epoxy resin table. If you didn't see that video, go back and watch. Here are some pictures that I did not release in that. These are kind of secret photos that I'm showing to you now. A little teaser to go back and see this table that I completed. I've had a really great time with it. Today I'm talking about a hall tree. Saw the hall tree, 1 foot, one in the house, but I just didn't really want to spend the money. So I decided to draw up a blueprint, get all the measurements, see what I would need, then go to the store afterward to see if I can make this hall tree come to life. You want to make sure you have everything kind of before you get started. Then you can kind of relax a little bit before you get started to get your mind on the job. Went back, pulled out the tools I already had, and then I just began to go to work on the bottom part of the hall tree. It's not assembled here, but just showing you once I cut the wood for the bottom to lay it out. I kind of used the idea from this bookshelf I had to kind of assemble the bottom of it. I want to make that shelving just right. So here's the bottom after the tools are there, relaxed a little bit, again with some pizza, and then went right back to work. The bottom part was not as hard as you may think. It just took some time. I like the pocket jig. It worked out well to get those angles there. And then afterward, I did go back to the store because I had some hooks, but I wasn't sure if I had the right ones. So there's about 4 different options here. Tell me which one you think you like the best and which one you think I'll actually put in there. Go ahead and comment now. Which one do you think I'll actually use for this hall tree? The original picture didn't have this, but I wanted to kind of have my own little touch to it. And then also, I looked at some stains. What color would I actually stain this hall tree? What color would look best on here? Everyone has their own preference, but I wanted to figure out which one I would like the best. There's a picture of the back of the hall tree, and then once the top part was completed, it took some work to kind of put it together. And I think I would do it differently next time, but I think I did overall a pretty good job, especially this is my first solo project. This is the stain I end up choosing, a nice old rustic look, and then I added those hooks there. I'm not sure if those are the ones you thought. Then I also want to add some metal brackets. My friend Michael was telling me, yeah man, go ahead, try it out. So I've never worked with metal before, but I actually cut those X's myself and then threw them on there. And you'll see them there again. It was a fun, but if you notice, I actually incorporated 2 different hooks. Instead of 1, I went with 2. But I thought there was something else that I could do to add to that, and that would be add the silver L brackets on the top of the bench part. And once the whole project was completed, I decided to relax with cookies. So here's the blueprint of the hall tree again, and then the final project complete. I enjoyed it. I hope you did too. Thanks so much for watching.